Hi guys, this is Charlotte Rose. Welcome to my channel. And if you haven't been here before, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So tonight I have a quick tutorial. Actually, I'm trying to make it quick. So what I have here is this wreath thingy I picked up from Dollar Tree. And I am making a pom-pom. I am making a pom-pom wreath. So what I have here is this from Dollar Tree, and I have a whole bunch of pom-poms that I made. The colors are plush pink, gray, burgundy, and beige. And all of these yarn I picked up at JoAnns. Also here I have this little miniature ornament ball that I picked up at Target, and this ribbon I picked up at Dollar Tree that I'll be using to wrap this. I have two of these. I have some glue stick, my glue gun, and some pom-pom makers. This is what I used to make my pom-poms. So let's get started, guys, because I don't think I have enough space on this phone. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna start out by wrapping the wreath with this. So I'm gonna put a dab of glue right here. Let me get these out of my way. Trying to move faster, guys. Put a dab of glue right here and get it on. Try not to burn yourself, guys. Okay, so that's on. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, start wrapping. If it's easier for you guys, hold the roll like so, and try to get it as snug as possible. It doesn't have to overlap. Okay, I'm not sure if one roll will do, but it says it has 9 feet on it, which is a lot of ribbon. So I'm gonna wrap this like so. And I chose this color because it's close to the colors that I'm going for. Like the pom-pom that's going on, it's close to that color. So if a pom-pom were to peep through, then nothing much will be showing. So try to pull it as snug as possible, guys, because you don't want this to get loose, and while it's getting loose, the whole thing will come apart. So try to pull it as snug as possible. And I'm trying to go as fast as possible, guys, because like I said, I have limited time on limited space on this phone. So if you see me going fast, that's because I'm trying to watch time. So I didn't do it in any particular order, or did not intend to, but as you can see, all the burgundy are in the front here of it. So now I'm gonna add the ornament ball. So I'm gonna start out with the turquoise. So I'm just gonna pop these out. So that's it for all the burgundy ball. And I'm gonna put this area like so. You don't want that part to be shown. So I'm just gonna dab a little glue right here, and just find any little old corner. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to do it simultaneously across from each other, just to make sure it's spread out evenly and not, you know. So I'm gonna put that there. There is 6 pieces, so maybe one here, there, here, and here, like so. So yeah. Try to get it snug in there, guys. That way it's holding on to something. So this is what this is looking like right about now. Okay, one could have been right here.
Hi guys, so this is the remainder of the miniature ball. So I'm just going to spray these white because I don't need this color. So I'm just going to give it a good spray. And then come back and let it dry. And come back and give it another coating. So guys, this is where the wreath is at right now. And I'm just going to have these gold ball ornament balls. I got this at Dollar Tree. And these have 16 in it. 16 shatterproof ornaments. So I'm just going to have these onto it. Random area, no special spots. Nothing is special around here for these balls. They just go anywhere you see fits. Excuse me. I guess that's the glue. So, like I said, random spots, guys. And I'm gonna get this done, and I will be right back.
So guys, I added the gold and I'm just about adding the white right now. And as usual, I am just putting it in random spots. No specific area. I kind of outlined some of them already. I got started with that just to see where I want them. That's done. Move on to this one. That's the older glue gun, guys. So this one is much better, no noise. So okay guys, so I'm just holding down the last ball that's going on. So this is what it's looking like right now. How beautiful is that, guys? I don't think I need to add anything else onto it. I think it's nice and beautiful. So what I'm adding here is just a piece of the same ribbon that I picked up at Dollar Tree that went in the back here. What I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna add it right here to hold it onto the door. So put as much glue as possible, guys. Put as much to hold it down. And voila, this is what it would look like from the front. And that's it, guys. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna make a bow to put on the top of the wreath. So right here I have two 16 inches, one 12 inch, and one 6 inch. So I'm gonna start out with one of the 16-inch and the 12-inch. So what you want to do with that, and I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree. It's nice, and it has the wiring in it. So you want to try to find the middle. I mean, it's fairly easy. You could just fold it like this, and bam, you got your middle. You put your glue right here, and you just lay it down like that, and like this. Okay. Then you're gonna have something looking like this. Okay. Then you do the same to the 16-inch. Try to find the middle. I actually just eyeball it right here, and that's my middle. Oh, that's hot, hot, hot. Do the same for the other side, like so. Okay. So you'll have this. This is your 16-inch. This is your 12-inch. And you're just gonna put them on top of each other. The 12-inch on top of the 16-inch, like so. And just put a dab of glue right here, not too much, and put your 12-inch on top of it, so you end up with something like this. Then you take your other 16-inch and just try to find the middle, the center, and scrunch it up just a little bit, which is easy because this has the wiring in it, so it's fairly easy to get it scrunched. And you basically put it like this. Okay. Then you want to get something like some kind of twine or something like that. I have the twine that from the, give me 1 second, guys.
Right here, guys. So I'm just going to use one to twist around the center, like so. So keep twisting until it's tight. Okay, guys? And then you have something looking like this. You could play with it and get it nice like that. You could spread these out like that. Okay, guys? So after doing that, you take your 6-inch and you just want to find the center of this also. Like this. Get it like that. Like so. Then you just want to twist it in the back. Start from the back, which is here. Like this. So this is your front, guys. So you want to take it like this, put a little glue on it. Okay. And you just want to keep twisting until you get it nice. And just fold it in half like this. And fold the ribbon in half like this. And go from the edge right here, at the edge of the ribbon where you fold, and just clip up to the center. It gives you this nice scissors cut like that. Do the same for both sides. And voila, you got a perfect little bow.
Hi guys, this is the finished product, guys. I am so in love with this color scheme here. The purple and that teal, that it just gives it a beautiful pop. And the pink and all that gray and beige. Oh my god, I love this bow. I could have made it a little bigger, you know, like for now I am loving it. And please go subscribe to my channel, guys. Like and comment down below. Tell me what you think of it. And yes, I did make these pom-poms. Yes, I did. I have the pom-pom maker, and I sprayed some of these little miniature ball in white because I did not get any in white. So yes, guys, please go subscribe to my channel. I'm new to YouTube, so give me your support, guys, please. So as for now, have a good day, guys, and enjoy the